Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see some more important Git commands as a continuation of part 1 Git video. So we'll create a GitHub repo first. Click on New. Give a name for the repo. Under configuration, just enable the README file. Then click on Create Repo. Repo got created. Now we'll add a file in this repo. Commit it. Now we'll clone this repo to our local. So copy the HTTPS URL. Go to Git bash. Here use git clone and paste the URL which you have copied. So the GitHub repo is cloned to the local. Now if you cd into that repo and give an ls, it will list the files. So we have two files here, readme file and demo 001. Again, we'll go to GitHub. We'll add one more file here. Demo002.txt. Commit it. Now we'll pull this repo into our local. So give a git pull. If you give git pull, what happens is whatever extra contents are there compared to the locally cloned repo, so those contents will be fetched and also it will be merged to the local repo. See, one file changed, one insertion it is showing, that is demo002.txt. Now, if you want to see the contents, just give a ls and check. See here, demo002.txt also got added. So this is git pull. Then if we want to test git fetch, what we'll do is again we'll go to GitHub. Then we'll add a new file here. Demo003.txt. Commit. Now we'll do a git fetch. Git fetch. See, it is fetching the changes from the GitHub repo, but it will not merge to the local repo. Instead, it will save the fetched contents in the .git folder. So now if you do ls for the current repository, we'll not see any new file got added. See, till demo002 it is there. But the fetched content will be stored in .git folder. So that is the difference between git pull and git fetch. Git pull not only fetches the changes from remote repository, it also merges to the local repo. But git fetch fetches the changes, but it will not merge to the local repo. Instead, it will save the content in a .git folder. Now we'll see git branch. Git branch. So git branch, this command will display the current branches. We have only one branch, that is main. Now if we want to create a new branch, git branch followed by name of the branch. So feature 01 is the new branch we want to create. Now, if we give git branch again, it will show us 2 branches. See, 2 branches. Now, what we want is, we want to point to the feature 01 branch. Then what we can do is git checkout feature 01. Now see, the current pointing is for the feature 01 branch. So here itself you can see in the command prompt. Otherwise, we can give a git branch command and also check. It is currently pointing to the feature 01 branch. So, but the 2 steps want to be done with a single command, that is creating a new branch and pointing to that new branch. So that can be done using git checkout -b, give a new branch name feature 02. So now what happens is feature 02 branch gets created and also the current pointer points to the feature 02 branch. If you give a git branch, you can see that. So now the current pointing branch is feature 02. Now there is a similar command for git checkout, that is git switch. So before going to that, we can even see git delete and then go for the git switch command. So if you want to delete any one of these branches, created branches, say I want to delete feature 01. So git branch -d feature 01. So now feature 01 got deleted. So if you give a git branch now, you cannot see that feature 01 branch. See, we have only feature 02 and main. Then we have a git switch. Actually, what's the difference between git switch and checkout is both will do the similar kind of work, just an advanced latest command is git switch. So git switch. Suppose I want to switch to main branch, give main. So now we are switching to main branch and I want to create a new branch and point to that branch. Then git switch -c feature 03. See, now we have created feature 03 branch and the current pointed branch is feature 03. So git checkout and git switch does the same job, but the latest command is git switch. Thank you.